Then we're gonna move on to our sweet, which is a challah bread French toast. While our baked egg boat is in the oven baking, we're gonna work on our sweet dish for our brunch. We're gonna make a challah bread French toast. And what I like about this is you can make it the night before and then have it ready, and all you have to do is put it in the oven the following morning. So I'm gonna start by slicing my challah bread into like, maybe 1.5, 2-inch slices. And depending on how big your baking dish is, you might use 1, you might use 1.5. It all depends on how big your dish is. I'm gonna put it in here, kind of just lean it back, lean back. I think I have room for one more, so I'm gonna grab a second challah. And I like using challah bread because it's just fluffier. It's made with egg. And I like, actually, the top. I like the way it looks at the top. Maybe we want to put a couple on the side. How hungry are your friends and family? Mine eat a lot, so I'm going to fill in this side too. There we go. Perfect. And now I'm going to work on the top. Next up, egg cracking. Opa! Out of there. This takes 8 eggs. So when you're cracking this many eggs, if you ever get shell in the egg, just grab the actual shell and you can scoop it right out using the shell. Little tip for you. This is some whole milk, some melted butter. We have got light brown sugar there. This is cinnamon, a little bit of ginger. That gives it that extra, what is that? Some vanilla. And last but not least, a little pinch of salt. That's good. Whisk all this together. So this is an awesome recipe. You can do all this the night before, put it in the fridge, and then the morning of your brunch, when you start on your baked egg boats, you take this out so it comes to room temperature, and you can bake both recipes together while you enjoy your cucumber cocktail that we're gonna make. That's what I love about this recipe. All we wanna do now is pour that egg mix over our challah bread and make sure you go in between so everything gets some of that batter. And again, when this soaks overnight, it's even better. So put this in the fridge, leave it in there overnight, and remember, the next day, take it out, bring it to room temperature while you work on the baked egg boat. 350, they should both come out at the same time. Last but not least, top it with some chopped pecans. If there's a nut allergy, obviously leave it out. We can put our French toast in with our egg boat and let those two fall in love with each other. So as predicted, our challah French toast and our baked egg boat are ready at the same time. So what I needed was an extra set of hands. So Chef Remy and Chef Natalie jumped in here to help me out, take everything out of the oven, and they've been helping me all day. Thank you guys. My behind-the-scenes team here at FIU. Woo woo. Thank you, chefs. Appreciate you so much. This looks delicious. This smells delicious. I am gonna hit this French toast with a little bit of powdered sugar, or a lot of it. Love it, love it. We've got our savory baked egg boat over here. We've got our challah bread French toast over here.